Hello, everyone. Hello, hello.
Hi, guys. Welcome back.
How are you today? I hope you are feeling good, relaxed, and ready to learn English.
Yes, maybe you are cooking, or driving, or just resting. That's okay. Just listen and enjoy.
Today, we have a very easy and useful topic.
Yes, today we will talk about your evening routine.
Evening routine, yes. What do you do in the evening?
Good question. I think many people do similar things.
Yes, and this is perfect for learning English. Simple words, simple sentences.
Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
Yes, support us and we will help you learn English step by step.
Okay, let's start.
So, Alina, tell me, what do you do in the evening?
My evening is very simple. After work, I go home.
Ah, you go home. That is very common.
Yes, I go home and I feel tired.
Me too. Always tired.
Yes, always tired.
Okay, let's say it slowly for learners. I go home.
I go home.
Very good.
After I go home, I change my clothes.
Ah, yes, change clothes. Very important.
Yes, I take off my work clothes and wear comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes, like t-shirt or shorts.
Yes, or pajamas.
Oh, wow, straight to pajamas?
Yes, I love comfort.
Okay, learners, repeat after us. I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
Then what do you do?
After that, I eat dinner.
Ah, dinner time, my favorite time.
Of course, everyone loves food.
What do you usually eat?
Sometimes rice, sometimes noodles, sometimes just something simple.
Same here. Sometimes I am too tired, I just eat quickly.
Yes, quick dinner.
Okay, learners, listen and repeat. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Very good. Again, slowly. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Do you cook dinner or buy food?
Good question. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
Ah, lazy days.
Yes, lazy days.
Learners, listen. I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
Or I order food.
I order food.
After dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I relax.
Relax. Very important word.
Yes, relax means no work, no stress, just calm.
Exactly.
Sometimes I watch TV.
Ah, yes. Watching TV is very common.
Or I watch videos on my phone.
Same. Always phone, phone, phone.
Yes, too much phone.
Let's practice I relax.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I watch videos.
I watch videos.
Do you ever read books in the evening?
Not every day, but sometimes I read.
That's good. Reading is very good for English.
Yes, even a little reading helps.
Learners, say this. I read a book.
I read a book.
Do you use your phone before sleep?
Of course, everyone does.
Yes, bad habit, but we all do it.
Yes, I check messages, social media, maybe watch videos.
Same here. Let's practice a question. What do you do in the evening?
What do you do in the evening?
Now answer, I go home.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I relax.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Very good.
Now let's make a full sentence together.
Okay, listen. In the evening, I go home and eat dinner.
In the evening, I go home and eat dinner.
Good. Again, slowly. In the evening, I go home and eat dinner.
In the evening, I go home and eat dinner.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Honest answer.
Yes, sometimes I go for a walk.
Walking is good.
Yes, simple and healthy.
Repeat. I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
What about shower?
Oh, yes, I take a shower in the evening.
Very important.
Yes, after a long day, shower feels good.
fresh and clean. Repeat, I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Then what do you do before sleep?
Before sleep, I brush my teeth.
Good habit.
Yes, very important.
And then?
Then I go to bed.
Simple and perfect. Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Let's make a full routine together.
Yes, listen carefully.
In the evening, I go home.
I change my clothes.
I eat dinner.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I brush my teeth.
And I go to bed.
Very good.
Now you try.
Yes, your turn.
What do you do in the evening?
Say it. Speak it, even if it is simple.
You can say, I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I sleep. Very good. You are doing great.
Yes, step by step, you are improving.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
We all make mistakes.
Even us.
Yes, even us. Before we finish, one more question.
Yes.
What is your favorite thing to do in the evening?
I like to relax and watch something fun.
Nice.
What about you?
I like to eat.
Of course, always food.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this easy English conversation.
Practice every day, little by little.
And don't forget,
Tell us in the comments, what is your evening routine?
yes, what do you do in the evening?
We want to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Take care.